Hey guys, this video is just kind of a get my work done now so I can go hunting tomorrow video, which is pretty cool. Anyway, this is our herb garden. You can see our parsley and sage, and back there we have some rosemary. And see these milk jugs right here where the bottom's cut out? We set those over our smaller plants at night to keep the frost away from them. Kind of like our sage right there. We want to keep that alive. And our temperatures have been in the mid to low 30s every night. So we do what we can to keep them alive. Here we have our turnips, which are doing really well. And right beside them some carrots. And like I said, with our temperatures being what they have been, at night I cover those with this plastic right here. See this stick in the center? That's to hold the plastic up off the plants. And as you can see, so far it's been working. Here we have our Brussels sprouts. Now look how good they're doing. And we're talking in November here. Now at night, I cover these with this that I made out of some 1x2s and some PEX pipe, 1/2-inch PEX pipe, and plastic. Just like a little removable greenhouse. Seems to be working pretty good. Here we have the collards. Now we've harvested collards once, and you can see they're growing back. We're going to get a second harvest at the very least out of here. You see this rope frame? I put that up so I can roll this plastic down the rope frame at night, and I weight it down around the edges. You can probably see the bricks here. And that makes another little removable greenhouse to keep the frost off the plants. Here we have our newest bed. I don't see any leaks coming up, but I do have little baby beets growing. I mean, look at those cute little guys. They're doing pretty good, and like I said, our temperatures have been hovering around freezing. So I think we're doing pretty well. Now those are covered with this plastic cover. And you can see the inside here. Give you a better look how I built it. 1x 1/2-inch PEX pipe and plastic. And down here we have our starting our new compost pile. Stuff right there is what I just cleaned out of our chicken coop just a little while ago. Terrible job. That is the table scraps and scraps from making Thanksgiving dinner yesterday. It fed us for Thanksgiving, now it's going to go for the compost so it'll feed us again. And tell me that ain't cool. Back here we have the tubs that I planted, me and my wife. There's carrots in that one. Turnips in this one, which you can see are coming up really well. Let me get you see the little seedlings. They're about ready to be thinned. This is parsnips, and they're not coming up yet either. But at night I cover them with this plastic. And these clips right here, I help hold it on. Another way to fight the frost. Now guys, I want to point out that all of this is in our backyard. And we've taken what we've learned from our grandparents who used to farm. My grandpa farmed 10 acres. My wife's grandmother farmed. We took their knowledge that they passed on, knowledge we've gained other places, and experimenting. I mean, like this winter garden. We've never done that before. The point is, you can try stuff out and see what works for you. And anywhere you live, you can make this happen. I mean, this is a backyard in town by a couple of just regular people. And I am not a very smart guy. And we're figuring it out. So anybody can. Point is, guys, get out there and grow something. Y'all have a good